Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine using the Carl's Daughter Wash Day Delight, and I'll be using the rose water line, which is the pink one, and I received these complimentary from influencers. So guys, if you want to see how I use them, please continue to watch. First, I'm going to start off by wetting my hair with warm water. Water is going to help to open up my cuticles and accept anything that I put in my hair. Once my hair is fully saturated, I went ahead and going with my shampoo. And the shampoo that I'll be using is the Carl's Daughter Wash Day Delight. And this is the one with rose water. And I love to use like a generous amount because I love the way shampoo feels on my hair. And as you can see my reaction, this smells so good. So if you guys like strong smells when after washing your hair, this is definitely the shampoo to use, because after using it a couple of weeks after, my hair still smells so fresh. You can still smell the rose and all. So once the shampoo is on my hair, I went ahead and I rub it in on my scalp to get rid of all the buildup from past weeks, and then I go in and lightly finger detangle. And must I say, I received these complimentary of influencer. I was sent these to test out, and I really love them. I'm gonna go ahead put my link in the bio down in the description down below, where you guys can sign up for influencer and you can get free products to test out. Now I'm going to go in and rinse out the shampoo from my hair with warm water, and I'm using the pads of my fingers to massage it to get all the shampoo from the roots. So I'm going to be rinsing this out until the water runs clear before adding my conditioner. So now that my hair is all clean, I'm going to go in with my conditioner, and this is the Carl's Daughter Wash Day Delight Dream Detangler Jelly to Cream Conditioner, and it's with rose water and glycerin. So I'm going to go ahead and follow up with this. So applying a generous amount, I'm going to go ahead and work my way from roots to tips. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and add some more as I go along. So now I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair using my fingers, and I'm going to be adding some more conditioner and work from roots to tips, and I'm going to be saturating the tips. I'm going to be focusing on the tips because you know those areas get super dry, and I'm going to ensure that all my strands are saturated, and then I'm going to go in and finger detangle and then follow up with my comb. Now, as you can see, all my strands are fully coated. My fingers are running through freely. That means my hair is fully detangled. So now I'm going to go ahead and twist it so I can get it out the way and move on to the next sections. Now that all my hair is fully coated with conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out using warm water. I like to rinse the conditioner out until the water runs clear and then squeeze the excess water from my hair. After my hair is completely rinsed out, I went ahead, towel dry my hair, left it with those 2-strand twists, leave it overnight to air dry, and then go ahead with my hot comb and just lightly comb through my hair so it gets a little lighter so I can manage it. And this is it. Hope you guys go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can get more videos like these. Don't forget to share and tell a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.